Chapter 1. Improving your English listening skill is not about talent. It is about patience, consistency, and the right habits. Many learners feel frustrated because they do not understand native speakers. This is normal. Listening is usually the hardest skill to build. Start small. Listen to simple English every day. Short videos, slow podcasts, or basic conversations help a lot. Do not try to understand every word. First, focus on the main idea. Your brain needs time to adjust to new sounds. Repeat what you hear. Shadowing, speaking along with audio, trains your ear and mouth together. Even 10 minutes a day can create strong progress. Consistency is more important than long study sessions. Listen with interest. Choose topics you enjoy, such as stories, news, or daily life conversations. When you enjoy the content, your brain learns faster. Do not fear mistakes or confusion. Every unclear sentence is a step forward. One day, you will notice that English feels natural. That day comes from daily effort, not shortcuts. Keep listening. Keep believing. Your English is improving, even when you cannot feel it yet. Chapter 2. Improving your English reading skill is a journey, not a race. Many learners feel slow or confused when reading English texts. That feeling is normal, and it does not mean you are weak. It means your mind is learning something new. Start with easy reading. Simple stories, short articles, or basic posts are enough. Do not jump to difficult books too early. When reading feels comfortable, confidence grows naturally. Read every day, even if it is only 10 minutes. Daily reading trains your brain to recognize words faster. Speed comes with time, not pressure. Focus on understanding the meaning, not translating every word. When you see new words, do not panic. Guess the meaning from the sentence first. Later, check the dictionary and move on. Too much stopping can break your focus. Choose topics you enjoy. Interest keeps your mind active and motivated. Reading should feel useful, not like a punishment. Slow progress is still progress. Each page you read is building your future fluency. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. Chapter 3. Improving your spoken English is about courage, not perfection. Many learners stay silent because they fear mistakes. But mistakes are not failure. They are proof that you are trying. Start speaking with yourself every day. Describe what you see, what you do, and what you think. This simple habit builds confidence faster than you expect. Your mouth needs practice, just like your mind. Speak slowly and clearly. Do not rush to sound fluent. Fluency comes after clarity. It is better to say one correct sentence than 10 rushed ones. Listen and repeat. Imitate native speakers from videos or audio. Copy their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. This trains your ear and improves your natural flow. Find safe spaces to speak. Talk to friends, language partners, or even strangers online. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The best moment is now. Accept embarrassment as part of growth. Every confident speaker was once nervous and quiet. They improved because they spoke anyway. Your voice matters. Your English will improve with daily effort and patience. Keep speaking, keep believing, and never give up. Chapter 4. Improving your English writing is about practice, not perfection. Many learners feel stuck because their sentences feel simple or wrong. That feeling is normal, and it means you are learning. Good writers are not born confident.
They become confident by writing again and again. Start small. Write short sentences every day. A diary line, a comment, or a short paragraph is enough. Do not wait for big ideas. Daily writing builds clarity and control. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes show you where to improve. When you notice an error, correct it and move forward. Staying consistent matters more than writing perfectly. Read and write together. When you read simple English, your writing improves naturally. You learn sentence structure, vocabulary, and flow without effort. Rewrite your own sentences. Write once, then write again in a better way. This habit sharpens your thinking and style. Be patient with yourself. Progress in writing is slow but deep. One day you will read your old work and smile. Your words have value. Keep writing even when it feels hard. Every line you write is a step forward. Chapter 5. Practicing English with yourself is one of the most powerful habits you can build. You do not need a teacher, a classroom, or a partner all the time. You only need honesty, consistency, and a little courage. Start by talking to yourself daily. Describe your actions, your plans, and your thoughts in English. Speak out loud, not only in your mind. Your voice helps your brain learn faster and more clearly. Create small routines. In the morning, talk about your day ahead. At night, review what you did and how you felt. These simple conversations build fluency naturally. Use a mirror sometimes. Look at yourself and speak as if you are explaining something to a friend. This improves confidence, pronunciation, and body language together. Write short notes to yourself. Make to-do lists, reminders, or small diary entries in English. Writing and speaking together strengthen each other. Listen and respond. Play a short English video or audio. Pause it and answer in your own words. This trains listening, thinking, and speaking at the same time. Do not judge yourself harshly. You will make mistakes, and that is part of learning. Correct yourself gently and move on. Progress comes from repetition, not pressure. Be consistent, not perfect. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Over time, English will start to feel natural and familiar. Remember, practicing alone does not mean learning alone. Your effort is seen and rewarded. Keep going, even on slow days.